Hey guys, welcome back. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean the interior on your 2015 Toyota Corolla or any kind of vehicle you have. So I have some nasty stains on my 2015 Toyota Corolla, and I'm going to show you the type of product I like to use and show you the difference with dirty interior with clean. And the type of product I like to use is called Carbrite Extra Duty Plus. I like to use this for my 2015 Toyota Corolla. I highly recommend it, especially for the carpets or if you have your trimming from the interior like a light color and it's already getting dirty or water stains or anything like that. You can use that. It works fine. But let me show you how it works. Okay. Black stain right here, and there's some right here too, and some up here, water stains. So I'll be showing you guys how to clean that. So first thing first, you're gonna spray it a little bit. Well, I spray a little bit too much. Second, you grab one of these, just if you guys can see. Done. I need a little bit more right there, but if you guys can see the difference. So nice and clean. Now let me do it up there. Oh, sorry. Then you do the same thing, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I clean really well. Look. So I have that nasty right there, that one. So it's still wet. The towel is still wet. So let me see if I could. Oh, perfect. All clean, guys. See, nasty stains right here and right there. I'll be showing you guys black line right there. Nice and clean. So these are stains, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to remove this. I'm gonna close my eyes. Nice and clean. Worked perfect. I'll clean this one right there. But all clean. Questions, just comment below. If you like this video and it was really helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe.
dance through the highway.